Ada Cote d'Ivoire so ni ha. Togo ni ha. Senegal ni ha. Na den na omo de omo hye ekoso na ye de asai. Amambo boni.
Ha, Omanhene. What's your man penny your mama? Mama in Tiano pay.
Yeah, you look sharp this morning.
Thank you, baby.
And I love you. Say I love you too.
I love you too, baby.
Me kase kafra ene be ajai.
Fibia wate. Mitawachi wate.
Bra. Asema walk kai. Me papa is Excellency John Dramani ma make. BNY NTB da. Sa ne nsemu. Ono so wo so yeti humbi yeti bia. Okay.
Yeah.
So ono so na bless so. Ye kokan ya o su ni amemu da. Untumi nka amemu mu asem. Excellency John Dramani mama. Ye kokan se ba omi o se wan kokan asem. O se uni amemu ni bi da. Untumi nka amemu uni president da. Untumi nka president asem. And now
I said no name Crawford were justified by saying that because
oh bra
omo be di bi no so ahunu say no ko ye je
asam no a o kan ebi wom ebi nim
okay
ebi a political talk
okay
why na nim global trend say na global trend there Ukraine any eyi be aka ewiase nyina look nanu ya ye kwa
Ukraine ko mo tokwa
Wobekan be chirechirem so biaka se COVID-19 any Ukraine Russia and Ghana na nipa ne pese obeka mu nukre e de akire Ghana fo e yade a affecting enkura a obobo so se Senegal eno no wan na che light free eni so free ma omo nkrofo ye ekọ baabi ye nyina ye ekọ baabi ya hyehyɛ ye niema se ye ekọ ha eni ye nyame nti yenim de besi wo kyenanti bibia ba bebom ene de yekoyechi na de ya ama His Excellency John Dramani mama otumi kan bi ye o ye Ghana ni se ye hunu se ade no ke ye dane ni se ya ke be ye ene na dran kwa kufado za je se ye bol ene je ku
ade se de
ye bol nya de ye keka na otie ono fa boga nye so wonu wo ye focus resolute and firm
RFF
enuni ena His Excellency John Dramani ma American na de ye womu yi ye hunu bi pen dum so ye hu bi untumi me kama se magis wa ye president pen ye hu bi enti so oka se de akoso wi asene no obi na antoto ni hihye yi a ne ntumi fa kwose Russia Ukraine me papa John Dramani ma ne ne nyaadwe enu de betumi de ahye no ene nkuro ne aman a wo bobo so no nso wo man chansu ene wo man electricity eti anu to betumi affect na mum enkana na dranko akufado ntiase na de nipa ne nyina ka se nana ye gina ni fa wache ye nana ni benkum so kakra ebi yi eho ne ba bi ye gina eho ni ba bi ye gina MPP fo na bi hu nchembese a wo mo gye mo hyehye ma wo mu nyina ka sasada zo a ye wu ya ho yira yen nanso yentimi nka wade o kan wakọ kan sen eti ontie na won fanya adwuma na bia ebetumi ne sakra e bia ba se de bia bra ya wo kan se kan ofori atakro ya wakọ sakra bodo a wo hunu na Ghana fo ya kaka na ne kufado sajira ebuni bia wo twen ne ho ano nipa na obeba no nya magic bia na obeye o but ebetumi abogya bi edi abam niemam etumi ago kakra
na me fa Deuteronomy 1:6 into asoma
ayo
Deuteronomy 1:6 was say the Lord our God said to us at Horeb you have stayed long enough at this mountain
watch people
matra bepo yase achedodo emre du se mutu asoma kan na make bi atwa so e wo Bible mo
Rafa mu nyina atiti o nyina ha o mo so mu tumi nka
oni obaba betra be kikan de wo cho ye ne party adwuma
mu na meka no
oye ne party adwuma
His Excellency John Dramani ma nsem a wo kekai yati bi pen wono aka bi pen na sabi ye fidie yi abo a ni sunku ne ja ne so ani sunku na na Kufuado no de ye ko ba bi papa this any power pen kore na ye kwa na COVID ma ye na Ghana na enu sei ɛna yakwa kodu baabi ɛwa suturo mienu mani hahanya Ukraine Russia so de ne die ba bebo mu yehunu se baabi na wa ye bi wa ma ye show wa ma ye light ama ye twa enwa hia Cote d'Ivoire mo wa ma nye bi eti eden abe affecting as a nation na mom baabi a ye duro no ka ye ni se kakra o se da bi wa ma to aso
ahonda as usual mampani that John Dramani mama what yesim so sabe president die ne asem no send your cano e be favor no obeka send your wosi chechire mu ho eye German south say bibia ne de ko say Russia Ukraine war and COVID-19 ne ade no onu awonim say ewiase nyina say no ewiase untimi nkyena wo say bia me Ghana na me de asem we mfa me ho na ma pɛ me ba bia tena na wiase nyina e kasa watwi wani se mfa ho e kokokokokokoko adakuru bi e ba be fa ho enya Russia Ukraine war na kontema okɔ America ni UK ni France ni Germany no mu a na manfo kokoto cooking oil anwa ye de kwakɔ no aduane a yes ebi okɔse bia opetu yes da bia be ma 1 okɔse opewe flour ye de to pan no ne ade ade ewiase nyina no akota obi adan obi it is true oma bia no hono mu a na ho boa be so na kwankro ebia na wo nkyene be si kire wo ni bi nti Ghana ye won nkyene no na Togo wo asi kire no e beka ko pe bia firi omo ho asam to Togo a ekayen nti ase ye ne se ase ayi bibia ni hono mo bibia nsi na ase yi ye ni a akota entwaye eyire se da ya Russian Ukraine war ane COVID-19 no akota hwe COVID-19 no ye fe bibia nto nche COVID-19 ye spend you Ghana spend you
yes
oh ye disika no ye nyina ne and it's true COVID-19 no ye spend day government they spend the broso that's it and spending now no spending nyina no Ghana ye nya oman a te se bia okɔ developed countries a omo data e bia oduru so ame ha nipa be 3000 ete ha wait ya iti me pena menya no Ghana bi kra titikio so enti e ba se bia me pe bibi na ma ye dia ma omo e wo so ame a te se duru ba bi na omo no a omo ka koku anopa na wia omo abia no adokono no ne ade ade a na omo echichei obu ono mo a odabonten
te yankan no mpo anka so didi
sa data no o ka se bia some municipal for kran famo a omo nya aso didi eti o ka se bia ye metrans na COVID-19 sika ye nsa kan ye mesesen ni pase na momo omaduane ni pase na momo omo anwa ni pase akotamino mienu ye di ho adanse se ebe ye den e di amaga na ye system ya ye timi COVID-19 ni de ye nyina sika no ye nyina di ye nyina ye di ye wom se bia water bill ne light bill ni ade no e bia wo pese wo check a wo betimi a check kakra but in terms of aduane mo no de ma manfo akota yenti kuremu na MBSSI for ma manfo loans
support
10 million man penina na John Dramani mama ya de koye campaign say abusuafo me ba say sika no me be chamo wo ya president akonta be ne dey
man penina mama ka say sika MBSSI for dia mo nyina no oba onye
ahokyera ba ina manfo wo de mo oba akoto so ba de beche that president and other dem go kufa so yi nani
because super second term opponent so about the beche and so obi akogina galam say ho say ye buy me motu no bi susu jira baby a me pamo
ne akonya no so akota edu baby a ya ne de man no aye politics amebia ahonyehia ahokyere enima bia ye komune no ya ba beduru ha samampeni dada John Dramani Mahama wo kase yesi de bibia akwa COVID ni Ukraine war no so ankokasa asem no a ebia MBSS na nya sika de nyina na nkomitima jeje ban komitima sa agigi bi ebia be uchem 100% a be 40% 30% bi do mbetima je but ka so de beche no a oso mu yi omani na ne wadi ni kwa ti do fe ja mo fre no
all right na me ma utie video bi Omanhene mama say 2016 na Ghana for ho to mu na o pe bibi kakra obi adwuma kakra ekoye dum so ewo ho born in Humodin. Can I have that first video? Na Dumso Oyi free ho. Emma ne Oba share or de efidie no share Omanhene Nana Danko Akufo-Addo Sano. I ho chire no de aboma. Kwabra ma mentio. Ah mama here say eno a.
Minya MP kasa. Oka Ghana sem. Enya me na meba beka pempenso a president di Ghana edru. Because say ye wa ban mu na empuntu okoso. Obia anya ne chefa kakra. Obia nim say amambo wo hoi. Enye at once. What the could do baby, no be a budget, no so dia could do baby, no be a budget, no so dia could do baby. Sa and a rolling here no. And all the Omanhene Yaw and also the could do baby. And a Professor Milson so be so and all the could do baby. And a meso Nyamia Madam Adarma and a meso maybe so up to 2016 meso me the could do baby. Ni na so near koyenim. Driver you obey. Also be changing gear or the caution reverse. Medana me dream one.
I think I made you listen.
Yanchi here for near for me and Ramiti and a brand our casa.
Okay.
Initially now we at Tebu Mountain before I was signing called Bono East.
Go German South and
then Ghana for we are sick and tired. Ya better woman.
How?
If free nanado na so afo abedi achire fo kane Omanhene John Dramani Mahama ne mpanin fo wonuam Ghana fo abre wo mu ya na omo kasa ya na aniwu me ya me fele ma wo mbato munim gese bi obi a won pese obeka no kro ya me kwabena kase me fele de masa mpanin fo a wo mu di animu NDC ni MPP since day one beka ba bia yeti me fele kra de ma wo mu nti ya omo kasa omo mfere ade ana Ghana ba ko penu obi ase ne ye ne Ghana ba ko penu obi ase ne yonko ba wo se no hwan na e ka no kra Ghana fo aden boni be na Ghana yaye se na kamia kwa yesa wote Ghana asa wote bonsam gem aden adi adea aden
ma so ye ne
na me ka se ade ba ko pe mo ba fun ya boss e kura me wo se wo ba wo ye ne adazo ase wo ba wo se no aden mo ba fun na de nko a eye de ba nko a eye de ba nko a ya mo de Ghana fo adwen di agrosa no Ghana ni abrante e sori no siso a wo he confused totally. What that's sorry no power niti na wo dwere school fees na wo madi die hu to be confused. And to be sabe kwa adwuma na low productivity aye adwuma. Because at the end of the month and I say at the end of the day no na ba na lusu. Ghana ba ko peno 30.8 million no. Wo bia so obai me maburu adwuma. Maburu na adwuma no wo he. Wo bia say me implementation me de ba ye no na eboa ye fro ha de amane mu e wo hene. The Ghana for ya den. Ya said ye said ya akoda wo te class a one mass. Na master na be jira ho master what mass be jira board denim. What pine full stop. Do you understand what yes what yes here? No sir.
Ebi to me wo onwe ma chade kwabra. Ma chade. Ani jam de chade no. Me we am say do you understand? Yes sir. Na me yes service wo. Mo ti ase am say David.
Efa. The whole show.
Me real who ya.
Sana o maye.
Sompa 93.1.
Ghana ba ko peda ye timu no. Na bo America se me ya pa so asore ko. Se Ghana ye ti o mai me ni ye dodo. So obi da kelsum. How say population census no one o man Ghana global. O maye ye timu ahoho do so chen kromafo no. Ghana ahoho do so chen ye timu anu. Nti ye to aba ahoho na yi nipa de mayen. Ye to aba wo de ya hwe Burkina ene hwan amaya hodo atwa ehuasia no ya hwe kwan ya ye bietum nsamanfo na eba moti ada beto aba no awo no ba be take decision de maye na ye bre no mo san ko machi e kom ha se wo de wo pa be duru se ye beto aba ya hwe for ni to for na hwe nipa ba bi wa wo jira tum se enti wo so wo krom ha wotimi hu obi kro na wo ye mo ahew yisa wo pagya wuti sei ansa na wo hwe nanim wo ba sia wo bi ne bra yisa wo ba hi wotimi se wo de Burkina nipa na ebe
one hwan okuta register okuta voter register.
What was a Niger pa de dam hui. So so meto aba. Wo kan wo be se me wo faase. Me sister na me ne kotra ha wo ye no. Ne ba na fe na wa wie school aba. Wo na me koka. Na wo de nan taburo si form a. Wo say akwa pa wo jina to Ghana ni. Ghana bone be na mabura ye. And wo wie school aboy. Wo ko bi aboy. free senior high school kwa boy wan ko bia boy ko hwen koda no course e ba wo fo no so go and see Adea baako pe no go and see wo mo kwa na otu mienu pe no boss wo de cross check na hwe ade awo fo no koda no free ha ko na otu mienu pe no this way follow up you have to pay it's akwa no woni di oba no afon say tam na do da kwa kufu ado amamo no nkoye you yourself you know for sure say amamo no nkoye when now buy ya Ghana for nke nto ba no fama woda and Adea da wo ye no who say the image of the party so woni mu a ya na me ya me ya
Sompa 93.
na no say come na me interview kele wa hase ya no say bi ankeja betom because the questions are going to put on wa hase no
Don't go.
The entire person say you are part of the system, you are part of the government. And the entity na also what tell
No, don't go on that tangent.
Okay. And the entity na also what tell one what ma ba bi abo Ghana. I know very well say we be adwuma ampa. We ye adwuma, we ye bibia de ma Ghana for. And the entity na with this experience na name wo ka no. Wo wa ba ni mu no. Identity na yem fa nsem na nyina no, ye mmoa na ye nye ne ye preko. And until na me ne akoto afri ye wo problem no.
And now launching the campaign.
You see the point? Me no what major issue.
Adey.
If Adea wo ya na yam ya.
Then no yo. Na na kwabra wa be dey before ni.
Omo asemwa.
Because
Omo asemwa.
Meba vice president. One cry the way on the lead a team no. Ena Kennedy wo so ka ho. Ono cry the so onye minister. Ayi akoto eshem. Alan shem. Etu shema Alan akotone ba omiade wo mu kra de omu fini ne omu kon nyina hyem ena Kennedy so ewo Ghana gas board chairman eti ukasa ohyem bia eyeye wa na elili omu
omu asem
na ntide na ma wo yam ye o ya so
say omu de Ghana fo di agro but this is my problem omu de Ghana fo di agro mpani fo na twa MPP ho asia nyina no omu nim the major problem of this country.
Now, why
they have decided say omunye.
Really?
I'm telling you the fact.
Omunim say omanya omeko position omunye.
Ne akoda ben na wone ne maame ti fi akoda no. Sabi wo nsu ikura na ekomo di akoda na ne maame hwa akoda ne motunu se komo de no. This be your battle be onye very observant. Sa wona obate ho boss. Wona obate.
Oye baby kura osu a wo say
we ka won nsu but ne action bi one say akoda na yenya ya wo mbe 3 months na omun kasa ye no.
Ne ye ma wo say
ensu komo de no. Ana wo penny phone na.
Waja na egu ne ho.
Yes.
Ana adwonso.
Exactly.
Ana for no pa no.
Ghana for me what I know for sure is say the aim and also ambition behind any population and housing census biano is to know the number of people who to mine. You see the point? No matter what create as much as I want. And to back in guy and the nya free. What back in can the nya free boss. Ghana for making can nya free mu. Minimum say ye kan nipa abanti mu say bia soame. Nipa tia bia be 40. Nti me di mpuntu nyuma bi ba. And as a social intervention be ban at me more swami. This is ambition behind population census.
And I say at the end of the day, what can we? But Sika the Babe put you anyway.
Nesawanwa. Esawanwa. Esananado in MPP no asa one more.
Kwara for me si wa hama me. Ah for me si wa hama me.
Come you travel anzo.
Ka travel he.
Mama.
Ah me too.
Me da se. Hwe. Kane man pani John Dramani Mahama. Nen samu a wo kan nyina no eye so Ghana fo atia bre nen samu wo kan no emu hwam eno me heda kokora me heda tena me TV mu kamena to so fa me remote say
yeah be na we akokara me so e ka say
me hwe no a
we akokara me so nya
me hwe no a me monitor no from Atebu Amanten Luta Mukuro mu ho tie no a be say ko buru is na me tie no nen samu wo kan. The question here is that emu dia na Ghana for one trader.
You are not seeing anything new coming from him.
Blah.
Nothing new.
Me as someone work I don't get it.
Also Obama 60 ministers was set up. Oba investigate.
And what the young fan say? What the young fan says? What the 8 ministers cranny di can start ye kura no.
Now what is so about 60?
Enti the uja wo ho no. Eh ye Ghana for kayo. Ghana for kayo. After I had this work, no Ghana for kayo.
It's good for you who say MPP NDC.
Me, blah. Your major problem pa NDC ni MPP. If you say, but I say what that's around pay ya. Why did mo ye hey? Said the MPP for Canada yo. Said the NDC for Canada yo. Say the CPP for Canada yo.
Utumi hunu. Kwamra from here. Grace gift atrasi about ene Evelyn Sewa Edu. Evelyn Sewa Edu the first child of Mr. and Mrs. Edu. Na Mr. Abofan to sway. Evelyn Sewa Edu ene na woda. Na Evelyn Sewa Edu Abakaima Mr. and Mrs. Edu. Mr. and Mrs. Edu ye wine efiewura DC house. Ye fiewura ba. Ene na woda. Enti Evelyn abolife Evelyn Sewa Edu. O papa Mr. and Mrs. Edu. Almost say ene wa woda age ni de o man fa mreme. Happy birthday to you, sweetie. Enjoy the day to the max. Why your photo shoot wampa? Oh, so fair. Come. Bibia the dean. Eti Evelyn Sewa Edu. Enjoy your day to the max, to the brim. Nyankopon entre ushim. O papa no mami so mo do. Na de o kono no kono sa. Happy birthday once again, Evelyn Sewa Edu. Grace gift.
Yes, sir.
Gabi. Now what to say?
Onyankopon adom.
Mashe eboko.
Twediampo adom.
Oba pa what to say?
Onyankopon adom ne wo ye pa.
Keja so me enko. Na and the boy be did birthday wa aba me as me said I'm checking this ah.
That's a meda wasi pa.
Best mejo so.
Openi mfidi am yusu nyina wa hase. Ipacho dia de ne power no to function.
Enyinam
electricity. So it's also applied to the body. Body nankasa no so you adwuma te say your radio station ya. Unim say Nyankopon ye kaso a spirit. Spirit in the sense or a wave which cannot be seen. What does it? But in the system your sensitive nerves I know and they catch the frequency of the waves of God. And so the body no aperceive your friend saying about divinity. That is it. So the body functions just like radio station.
Okay.
But one say to empower the radio station, we say body no so to empower it no but what does it?
Now body no near there here.
Body no no your friend no electrolyte.
Okay.
Electrolyte near mineral substances and I say certain mineral component you come you become bomo na say dissolve in water and conduct electricity for the body. E bini potassium, e bini calcium, e bini sodium,
okay.
E bini chlorine, e bini magnesium.
Okay.
Open these are elements are here for the conduction of electricity in the biosystem. Body. So why any sadena opening asa the body functions as per the bioelectricity within it. So any man your friend atoms. It's a movement of atoms across cells. And then from cells allocating themselves outside the cell. And then generate electricity for the body.
Okay.
Ubisa static electricity and say normal electricity. Ubisa say component ben and sabi a warm electricity generating effect. Ewo ade bi so. Obeka cho say sa chemicals ya bi boy enom here to dissolve in a solution creating that kind of electricity. The difference between static electricity and a body's electricity no say the movement of atoms but one moment the static electricity no a movement of ions. Sorry the movement of ion almost the movement of electrons.
Okay.
Difference no now opening ye beside won say akuma no won say a bot is a machine now pump moja with full force throughout the whole system. Last place a moja no call air 9 and send and return it back to the heart. Imagine this force being a properly organ na your friend say heart no and send at me pump moja na ko. And only say electrolyte ya me here me boy.
Okay.
Since I electrolyte no a low amount in the system I likely say heart na kasa function no e be cut down. Especially calcium. Calcium crampo there say new heart no more there say akoma de nam na kasa na ewu. Several are being attacked by cardiac arrest due to low amount of calcium. Natural calcium is what I'm talking about. A woman say artificial one. But your natural one, a body about nature more body need.
So where do we get a natural?
We get it from this kind of nut foods. A bit of coconut, you been free. Calcium can be gotten from onion. Calcium can be gotten from garlics. Sani mani kasi use no more. Now them better say I can no wasem. say nunum ye one of the herbs that produce calcium ye. And some a potassium for good function of the heart.
Nunuma na nanom ye de saye.
Ye kan. Opening
the bent one near Pierre Wood.
And now say, who this was here go so can why the tea anom is very good and potent for the heart. You better not gana. I'm obeying your heart failure. No ako. First, senke nipa wu a ye nipa ya. Na fie jade aye den adum. But today we say, ya they say nipa wu a the enjoyment. Look at what is happening in public. You do Saturday, people go and dance for somebody who is dead.
Instead.
It's a quack say we want to do time and alcohol. Opening that is not how God has arranged the whole thing. Nyankopo the body na say yensa. We be the caretakers. But one thing they say body is very important to you and you must know the man who is beside the body. I'm never town. There are things in my body no function. Yeah, me can Adea be say. Yeah, lungs no. Your lungs no. Also propel it. Wow. And then also it might inhale oxygen. And they are flashing carbon dioxide out of the system so that any kind of infectious disease holding in the blood. Imagine the full force of the heart to do that job of inhalation of oxygen and exhalation of carbon dioxide. No, maybe I just have full force anything. If these mineral substances are made, I friends say electrolyte. When you lose it, it is problem. Now, Penny, your cells, boy, you need to be my friend neuron cells. So a special type of cell, about 100 billion. And then you said that they are forming your friends say the nervous system, the brain and the spinal cord, and it's your friends say related arteries and our nerves. Opening, sa niyama way, sa neurons way, and especially in conducting the electricity.
Okay.
If you even in crampono, your brain now, if you much let's say, brain don't consume almost 20% of the total electricity of the human body. I didn't know. And some that must function at distributing messages across the whole body. Imagine this. So the brain needs several things. Ye kube etuwa. Opening kube ni suono together with.
Now say kube na krano esakuma.
Yes, akuma. And esa senipati. Opening kube suono ewomuno. Oh, so mengano together with lime juice. Lime juice. Now the entry
lime no ye dey
lime ya nketwa de nketwa
de akutuo no ne you know
akutuo na edi
lemon lemon okay
opening se o ka kubensu lime wow ana entry ebomu a woni se wa create your friends say electrolyte na bio the body's electricity wa create bi
okay
because woni bi entia kubene kita ingredients ya me kese ye the conduct electricity in the body afi your friends say lime no su kura bi and sana sodium plus chlorine oh salt
na salt no amount saying
kakra bi keke be say we use your friends say anketwade no be ma akoma ko 3 a so no ama no nsuo kakra obama no sorry we kubensuo full one full kubensuo na be mix no so no ama salt on tea tablespoon half teaspoon now the idea o dia fra no and one wawi open say nipa no ye mre kura na say o di mana instant no why strengthen imagine this all these things are here but lack of knowledge lack of wisdom
grace gift for more dance no
niama we yo petty things when you come because one thing is the body is complexly made to the fact that you may agree with me body no complexly made and your organ that was alcohol identity thousands of years in your scientists here researching the body even one organ until date yen shada enya hunu nsi every day new research come the body near complexly made. Once Psalm 139, David Akye Nipaduam did not cast it.
I'm fearfully and wonderfully made by
marvelous
God.
Are thy works. And here is imagine this. It's in a body, no, a complex, no. No human being can be an engineer of the body. Either be a chemical engineer of the body. Not even. So it's in a Janko Pankasa, Medima Nusino. What demonstrating me and my body, no, in nature. In nature, a it's in a grace gift here, can I say? So, Bahwa education yedin ekoso. Oshim school junction Kumasi, yo, and Accra, and so ye new Atmota Petroleum, yo. See the numbers in Betuga, Obi per question be bisa, Obi per direction, and then I see so yadu.
I do get it.
Yada Mishra Grace Gift Herbal Clinic and Laboratory Services said your moti and kana sa na koso honum ubedru honuma obade nu brane habama natural na ene de yen sentre ne anwanwade nu nti ɛna ma yɛ dance ntimi so sabre a yɛ kase ya hye adwuma se gise nonum ansa na yapon ɛno nti frɛ na woni yɛ twetwe nkomo Dr. Grace Bodu ne number nam di kan no ɛyɛ 0543 32 0030 0543 32 0030 and 0242 72 52 74 0242 72 52 74 0244 126 123 0244 126 123 and 0246 518 003 0246 518 003 me pacho so ye be ma na be ma no esua Dr. Grace Bodu wo yi ato ne nsem na de aduro akeka ma na pagya e de ama sanso e na se obe ma no so sebe akwadwo ne blego fan club a wo de bo ani na abese no oba no da bia kuti anwum na obo ofie no so oba e be nhwehwemu na de wo se yi efri honom na ye man bibia gyinagyina wona so kama de ma no ye be ye de ama afenso so emana sebe mo ahimfie honom enkoye nti mema no sorry a no mo ne na mabonten fefa small girls no eno so ba ye besiese ho kama pa wi a ne the Grace Virgins powder asan so de aka ho ne aka che se fa ko siesie ahimfie ho na bibia anya kama fa nti e to afro bibia se obi biara mra na wo ba ayaresa papa fie any Grace Gift Herbal Clinic and Laboratory Services.
And tiato no so e koso.
Okay. And tiato no so e koso. Okay. Abona ochia pa mi te dio nsia wo fie ha no mo. Francis Dodovi is here and so is Ralph. Now, Francis. Today is your day, eh?
Yeah.
And then I have a special song from a special person.
fighting for the NDC. Do tell me na kakra bam kinkin kakra bam na adwena say dia.
And oye gentleman of Enfino also over cowership.
But only Francis Shia off TV na politics in him na a one-on-one conversation. You see the humanity, the true human being Francis Dodovi. Honestly and respectfully, I think my main kind of among the NDC supporters, any radio, Francis is my best friend. Wow,
yeah, it's
too close to me. Me no ye niema bebre.
We are before me share with you.
Yeah, no. He's a brother.
I'll be share with you.
Niema bebre na ye di hon komo.
Yeah, there niema na we baby sir.
Ye di komo ye niema bebre.
All right, Francis.
And now no pay me.
We wish you well. We wish you well. Wish you well.
Me say we a happy guy. I wani jo ho. O hedam fane ma. O say na Omanhene ka niema bebre in show so. Me giri say no na ama as unyini na esa ma ho.
Francis, say how do you say?
What you been count?
But maybe the age up to air. We have put my age on air.
I'm just within the 40,
yeah.
45, 50.
But your Ben Michael.
No.
When you're 50.
David.
So I feel one say senior.
Oh yeah. Yeah, oh dear.
Senior. Ralph Cardio Sakra. Oh, get Sakra. Oh, no, baby grad. All right, I was here for Yatrase. Join us live on Facebook. That is Sompa 93.1. Now, and 7 Kobe said, we thank God finally the police have arrested 2 guys at the 4 account with respect to Imoro Isifu, the military young man. Omo ekuni ya no ntim yemo police for abaso ya didi hun komo kakra but normal omampani dada enam na probo mu ewo German South or bro ahafo Bono East na ne nsem no ka say 2016 na Ghana for ho to mo a anya bibi kakra obi beye onyane kakra kofie dum so by obo ne ho modern eyi dum so free ho. He's made it emphatic. It has been a debate. The MPP believes say and your man penny your mama na ifri ho enra for the first time I can say wagina so aka o see dum so wo ho 2016 bo no ho modern ma dum so twai afa o free ho no amemu odija nanado no enye no nene e wo hoi na de ene ya say nanado see Ukraine Russia war afa de o say aso bi na no say COVID-19 na Ukraine 7,000 kilometers omo ko omo to Poland ni Belarus ni omo ben no kra Moldova mo wo omo kra hu aho kire sa na obisa se Senegal Cote d'Ivoire nom ne ade no omo de omo sika sem nseye but somehow I also saying say I think I had a message from Dr. Uzo Ansa. He said Omanhene, those countries the former president is mentioning have their currencies guaranteed by the Central Bank of France. Eti ebe din say safer ebetimi atiato form because debiano France so ni mu ye ni sa de ni bi enti ode no gina so kasa so a entumi enye correct eno no asema abetodwa eda ho a ye bobo ho o say omampani gina amrahye bedwafie ka say they did not borrow recklessly na sa recklessly na okay say we have not borrowed recklessly no o say enye no credit. As of 2019, World Bank official said Ghana is heading towards a debt distress country because of their borrowing. 2019 September. It didn't mean myself. Now, my no ye come out because as of 2019, I covered my. My penny your mama send me. Mama says if you are rough. Do you dispute that? Definitely from MPP, you would. Mama, your reasons.
Omanhene.
Yes, sir.
Ya chair ya TF wa chair for we. Me say you know a tax force and
yes, we'll come to that. Let's deal with this and then we.
I think since NDC for share or more flag bearership contest, yes, Mampani Dada John Mahama move around and then the NDC supporters, delegates, aiding Komo, and I think he has been speaking. Now, none of paying in some way can concern. And make videos and none of pay Ubo free Mampani Dada John Mahama at a point in time. Now.
always concern about debt issues, always concern about the fact that Ghana Mampanini and Nado Dam Kwekufuado ni MPP are buying.
So we a driver, what the driver
current problems Ukraine,
reverse.
Yes, Ukraine and Russian war. Or say driver ni be a ultra car or they car na share reverse je na car ne konechino no so etika ni mu bie. In 7 year bebre. But I think on a more serious note, respectfully, Omanhene me wo feelings be say I say Ghana Mampanini da John Mahama on fa Ghana for serious.
How?
I say on head them buyen. Mampanini da John Mahama mbu Ghana for I say o gidi say obetimi a manipulate yen adwene no for his personal and selfish interest. The interest is of Abe Mampanini bio. Apart from that, nothing. Nanwa ora Kennedy Japan ebetana he. Ure ne ideas on agriculture. E kwan on no person or the northern enclaves, northern regions, emfa so ne man ye food basket. Or see emfa tourism. Emfa a means of generating revenue. These are creative, these are innovative ideas. I mean, you will come to some of the things personally. I may disagree with Ora Kennedy Japan. But in a whole, so when you Ora Kennedy Japan, the creative ideas, innovative ideas are no say given the opportunity or the Bema Ghana akon anymore. Now they compare Mampanini da John Mahama on so to the same anamoa Kennedy Japan so to ebi. Now when semwa Mampanini da John Mahama wanya akwanya bedi Ghana so pen anka the expectation ne kasa mkra no di Ghana for atem.
How?
Onu kra de on gini say ne bad performance and record in government and ma Ghana for to abeti ano 2016. Onye ni
Yeah, was more than nada.
onje sa de ni ni yenti no Ghana for will continue to punish him in 2024. Go on bu Ghana for. Hwe? So ura Mampanini da John Mahama bu Ghana for pa ba bia yedre. Ah ye nyina agitum say globally or hawaba Ghana your economic situation and how to Ghana for no ni creative and innovative policies and programs. John Mahama namui on cans asempapa bia ebetimi asesa on mind Ghana shebre. Ana babunu bia owo Ghana ha ebia na bamu obuo ana ogidi say the current economic situation baby Ghana edure no ye ni da aso ne wan say ni John Mahama wo wani so ade hunu pa any say some questions we ubusa NDC ni bia almost ye ba ye base debi creativity and me say uta okwadu anu ayi ni America. Even though personally I disagree with a lot of things Ora Kennedy Japan said, but with the creativity, the thinking, the direction or journey anybody or person of my Ghana drew John Mahama say so 90 Ghana ni bia watie no bia wo wani da so Ghana hana wo ma se opedachin papa di amawire no ma no wabusua John Mahama say and say John Mahama he's joking with the destiny of this country. John Mahama is joking with the young people of this country. John Mahama ombu Ghana for John Mahama ombuyen na Mampanini when ya akwanya abedi oman Ghana so now you wasted the opportunities you had. John Mahama wasted Jidia Ghana for ankasa nya woni mu ma na kwanya so medi Ghana so in 2012 to 2016. And then
Hello.
John Mahama make reference to him so he concede. For almost 4 years under his leadership. Or the Ghana for adwumayefo, Ghana for sukuu for, Ghana for anu den kanea ye adwuma or Ghana ha or the incompetence. Na ni so ade hunu papa na woni won kanea asem ade dum so bre o my Ghana egunuma and on age atum on a platform. He was making a reference to him borrowing and all those. John Mahama say Ghana for the car obi aba no so ontua Ghana for car. Hey. Why na call John Mahama for say John Mahama ho say Ghana the country. No, let's be serious.
I say ontua dey. Ghana can so say Ghana the car. I listened to one of the tapes. Maybe say me tiwa see. Yeah. Oka say obi anko no so ontua car. He's a Ghanaian and Ghana the car. Oka ho. Though or a former president, no, yenti or moto ne ade no. He has families that work that pay taxes. And he from your angle, no, explain to me well. The entire officer Ghana for corner also untia kamae. Obia ni one ma. The flag bearers hopefuls. I don't think any Ghanaian has gone to them so muntia kamae. Come again. I want to understand.
The entire makers are say hey. Matie ye nyina ye tie Ghana mampanyini dada John Mahama. O say, "Oh, me bedi o my Ghana so no me bo kase yi." E ho no kura na nye naniwu. So ono ne bo ka e na Akufo-Addo so abo ka. No no ne ka na ono bo ye na oja akoye no okotua na. Enye sa ka na nkaka we ho. But the difference is in said in tell me so be a musa and so for Ghana cano out the campaign instead of so be my creative ideas, policies and programs. John Mahama beke kasansem dia no me ba me ye no. Onka bi na kamkwan or the campaign na me busa ne say. Obi aba no abeka den so for Ghana camera. O metua na. Because the question is so boka e dey ka dey na this cano ye. And these things we have explained now. The State of the Nation address, Ghana Mampanyina na Addo Akufo-Addo, the roles, the interchanges ahoroa, Ghana buying, or mine sikadia ye, ni nyina no, ebwa ebie ye mine. And I think you have that document on mine. So Bobusia, now they investing in the development of this country. I mean, just say no campaign message. Enye na ni wukura so on nam no kase me bo kase and Akufo-Addo abebo kase. So what is your alternative policies and programs are getting the opportunity John Mahama or the Ghana for and they go back. These are the issues sir. Emma, I feel sad. Se me tie mampanyina da John Mahama near ti krom hanom from 2012 to 2016. Common chalk, your educational policies were terrible. Your educational policies common chalk mpo ye ti krom na ye nya bi. Na ye nya bi kukurantumi na headmistress koka obi kobusa just a vice president ye talk wasem. We know the response. In 2008 na President Akufo-Addo ni MPP na the creative ideas and policies like free SHS, one district, one factory na ye adwene ho. Me, I want to consider on this platform the creative and innovative policies are President Akufo-Addo ni MPP. Ye de bae probably ebia ye ebi nso anyedai anye ye sa na ye chichire man. Say ye de nimdie ene adwenkyere ene chichire oman. Enye sa wonam na di nkrofo ho few. John Mahama ni campaign ni na ye fewdie. De je America say ombu Ghana for. Onye na dwe so o chichire bibi di ato table so no de abekere Ghana for. Obeke kan krofo ho nsem na wadi nkrofo ho few saa na by accident said the 2012 by accident John Mahama nya opportunity na o waste opportunity no dey ma re ho ne say still odada ne hu bu Ghana for did this 2016 the defeater onya ye no onjindi na Ghana for will shock him if the NDC will make mistake no mo sa Eddie John Mahama. And so in conclusion, this is what I want to say. So if John Mahama believes say countries like Benin, Togo, COVID-19 and so almost na Ghana dia Omanhene Togo whole Togo nyina o the voter region otini voter kabon kom do so chen Togo. As we speak, voter region most of their health insurance come di do Ghana diem. Omo education omba Ghana ha. Na COVID aba na a country, a focused country Ghana would in Nigeria no matter the size yen economic issues ni niema ye ni Ghana ha Nigeria kra men na COVID aba abanya wo chenso wo cheduane all my loans abanya wo se da bi ye economy ni de be se na so ye manipa ni nwu ene Ghana ni bia nwu bibia ni oman na ye sikasema said ye but the country is still strong now wo ye campaign now believe say all the Ghana better to Togo Benin ne Cote d'Ivoire no mo ho a na wo no I say you are joking with this country. With the Ebeka nyale say John Mahama omaye hunu the way forward if indeed opeso obedi mampanyini bi o me as a young person I me want more years ahead of me na me dwene mabu na wa santime ho ne Ghana for ho no we don't have anything against John Mahama the style of campaign no is so bad.
All right,
the style of the campaign without any message a sign of disrespect for the young people of this country. Wafire and say now sometimes I also pity the NDC supporters. They keep on clapping.
okay.
Why? Don't be an idea. The piano bomb and some.
Hold it there. Let me go to Francis. Francis, you have the floor.
It's sad.
Yeah. Yeah, I saw the attention Sompa. Your mama beba of Bono, beba sentimental.
Okay.
I believe that should be on the 18th.
18th of March.
March. Next time say memenda. About 3 days wa. No akwa another 3 days. Okwa ba another 3 days.
Sompa 93.1.
Yeah. Yeah, onyama nyina ho kwan. Enye nyama nyina na fata na meboa. Ena ya yete ha yi a ye ka amanyo semi. Mintimi sorry prekope. And start preach wa. Men kanya mi asem ha no pawe. Because this program is meant for political talk show.
It's a political platform.
The mo friend in semi film journalism kakra. What we call magazine program.
That's right.
A variety of
issues. It's a magazine
put together.
Magazine program. That's right.
Very well. Alternative issues na raf wo kano. Wow, and they ma woda. Amana me da say, and this are best wishes no. Enti me pese me kono boko. The oti o han weni a wo kan. Ura Mahama di Ghana phone fell. And Ghana for a we and all the Ghana phone for take your move for serious. Maza, you can't be on take Ghana for serious. And not doing in a buy. And you don't expect Ura Mahama say, I could share party delegate. Ya or the oil no. So to Franca and my party. And as a communicator, he knows best than you. We a classroom teacher. That is your profession. John Mahama is a communicator by profession. So what you say? It is what we share party for. And you feel na ukwa jina hakoka a year sem inflation sem central bank sem. Then you are not good a politician. So what you say? You must tell the party folks God relate with them. And as I will share, his message has been our position as against the MPP's position, what they promise and they cannot deliver.
Okay.
That is a good communicator for you. And now, when German South, party for every mia, bebre aba, every groki to a mwabamu, a dear Nijaba Bishano, and now, a boring statement. No, you don't do that. You must energize the base of the party.
93.1.
Because what I say, you must energize the base of the party. Because I got inflation as someone on better to make the whole thing dull. I got Ghana gas 40 cubic meters as someone on better. Because that platform is not meant for the whole person walking. Until one Ghana at crossroad. Or one the Ghana we want to build. No more lecture, no more alternative. No one can say you see Kasem Enkoye and it's a be year on Mampeni on prosper all African games. No a jet, no Mampeni so I have to tell a jet to no I can't some more reduce size of government. Was spend the channel was so do. Play now the now we move by heart now. We the jari group for so now. Edi abe we and the agent, you know. There's some much as an man. Until I don't know we are now with the back delegate front page. Ya call reverberation a presidential jet, you know. Abba na there. Sana ya can't say me I'm a wisdom application. Who a nyansan. That is wisdom application. Uko foam. Now could do we are yaw. Atare no why there. No we now they are saying there so. No I chef for no their buffy. Watch the suit what tie. Bet me we are for fuma kodo. That is wisdom application. Oti a watch atare fufu e na oti. Won't me fa we consultem. Wo want me fa ko fuom. Wo kra na se ho. Won't me nya sa. Wo consultem na wo ko fuom a. Won shatare fita emfa nko. Wo yitu won wa chenye won wisdom application. Nyame emobia de friend wisdom nyansa
Sebi enya asa wa na gu nipa adwen mu. Eye moja na ndi afurusane e wo mu. Enti nyame ma onyansa na wo yuzu. Enti wona wo ye babu na afa na wo ba no betra be campaign sam enkyere ye. Asa de nim de ye wo ma we mu. No wura mahama ko share party fo nsem wo so wo kan ho no wo be ka kyero mo. Woti he se woni ewu so MPP ni ene. Na mo de tagashi any by force.
Na ni ewu so ede.
Na ni wu so MPP ni.
Argentina na ni
economy na bedunu yawo. Be oman ya bedru. So no waje to mu ha say yesika samonye ba o my Ghana. Na o sika samonye o my Ghana de ede. Oman na mo gu no. The nation is bankrupt. Oman ya sika enimu efe na oman.
93.1.
Enya danta bia ne danta. Danta na de sika bo ano. Ejo oman ya yentimi ntwa ya ka wo say oman no and skeleton na nam ho. But oman na skeleton. Yeah. Oman na the skeleton. Oman na kasa ekra ni so the friend so o man kra no de ni wo because ni je bie ni o manum yaw
your scanning moja
and to abrofo no to be rating the most happiest country in the world not Denmark a lady you know the reason why
per capita income
no so obi anya ne sika na je to monum bie wenum Henneken no money agi all over can't o man muni nyina o na je say o man no ekra no e den energy no mo ya onam Ghana ha bibia ni ho ye dikakra intimi ntua na ye kan ho say ye sika samunye so de o my Ghana no o my Ghana o my no kra no esu say mother Ghana is crying but because of one out no person be ye wa say o my no who so my no sintino because say we MPP nti na wo kan we but ene o my no enye o my ena no samafo o mo ko nyina no o mo ti bebi o my ko ye samatwentwen o mo ti mba fie o mo nya o mo su
fast o mo crowd abe so mo ye samatwentwen
na oni so mo so na de ko so kwa be kro mo no jebi ye fra professor Brivabuze mu nya o mo wo ko yi
o mo su
they are crying for mother Ghana they are weeping because maybe a man be do say ano yaw.
Did the former president solve himself?
Oh, he did. Yeah.
Because he's made it a fact that I solved himself.
Yeah, that's the same way. Yeah, that's
because it has been debate. NPP always say it is not true because the issue had to do with money. Etimu kofa niema bebrebe gu hono still adum so.
Yeah. Now what someone okay. Sebi. Say Adea power what was the problem? Say
car power and Mary.
Car power Mary. Near you nyine bayi. And then what is a kadebia dumbu? Can you numbu? Sane mani nyina no. It was part of propaganda way as a matter of fact. Almost 12 betia. Because Mufi said, Omo magana for who say car power na dey buy a crown. Ya inflated prices na there. I just so group. What you wey nyina bi. But ye nyina no. Because say teacher man, we took it in good faith.
93.1.
Who are buying what lose power? Yeah, the amount. And you see, I had the Ubet na how beka. And I don't mama holding a chewing stick, and I don't mama knew who had another idea worker, and I gonna foot you. The problem is that come who did it? People are hungry. On mine are saying, on my I declare a bankrupt. Yow, who no over 50 years I we are no. What's it be that? From various governments, said Ghana, you declare a bankrupt that. To the extent that one son cannot correct. You guys lie through your teeth. These niggas are damn liars. San America for Ghana. They're damn liars. Someone to be printed secure container say, oh, Bank of Ghana. I'm and there. Yeah, they are crowd.
The first quarter they printed 23 billion. Last year, 40 billion.
He's just about 31 years guy. I don't know why. Uche sa kwa no penny. Wonu ya kitwene na bre central bank ya dan no police. Say mum because mun kan no kre. You mun kan no kre ntro ayamoma. Mo twantro sa de agi to me. Mo sa baba mu so a mo say twantro. Yo, anti the center cannot hold. Me edru ni say edru amanfo so na yakaya
no.
Edru ni say maka kusibuafo. Mo hwehwe no kusibuafo mo ma ne kasa okromu a and I am would you see
no kusibuafo kasa o
okade
Who call other stations?
Okaden.
That community member na ba no.
When the bread had a mission and the mission is a bema, and to won ferry idea. Who catch a kufado, sir, wa bomb mine. What's the other why on who can say? What should we are singing saying or their friend and our other food, the island so blue, who Mahama Woho, a Greek, who so would only we are singing as you be. And no man and abo. More pretty sika, I will continue say. Inflation now 53%, unemployment rate
53.6.
Unemployment rate number 14% to Sadia. Bibia should was wrong. One ferry idea, what's a better would defend your by way. And you want us to believe you. Ralph, who per se angel Ralph Woody? Suffer Patrick, yeah, angel wouldn't.
But don't you also think, Sabia, he's also making a point, say, in as much as the former president is speaking to delegates, he's also speaking to Ghanaians. Because any statement to be free no more babyano. Forthright with Ghanaians say, it be honest on a discussing. And you know, if they request, say, what is the alternative? What is the policy? What is the pro-poor interventions are? I was also explaining.
Okay, very well. They also say. And amona sisi omutu no individual affair because okobi Dr. Komrado Fuenam obia na nam ne de
okay
ye wie na ko yi flag bearer
na party na transit the omani swadi
that is it and it say ye ko yi flag bearer no wie a na the party's position as a matter of fact they are no ye nyina no it is not an individual position
party position you said that take committee for
exactly.
But now,
no,
Francis, what you should understand now is this 2024 election will not be purposely, and I say solely on party.
Yeah.
Now, social 2024 election, it is the person leading the party.
Yeah.
That will be the dynamics.
Yeah.
That will be a paradigm shift in 2024.
Sure.
Because the CNO, party MPP or NDC war. But the Obedi party named power 2024. NDC your mama. Ghanaians will look into John Mama, not NDC. And Ghanaians will look into whoever leads MPP, not MPP as fine. Omo call votes like 44, 45. But that 7% or 8% to jump the Rubicon, no. They look at the person. It's only panel, even though party need an argument, man, no. They feel a new battle. It carries weight more than anything.
Yeah, you are right, but Uchi. You see, Uchi, yes, you are right. But all over the world, political parties, for more,
okay.
We are for and they forget, say, yes, he as John Mahama, and the persona, any what is bringing on board. Let me just say, unknown to me, fat unknown nipim.
And Casa Mayway.
Yes. But you see, Emrano Brano, no, he will state his positions. COVID by was stating in position. So on your flag bearer, by his personal capacity as Ubia Watna Akunyano Soda. COVID time, we're forming a team, was stating a personal position. They also were a boy man why. Yeah, recently, why about 2 or 3 lectures? Why about UPSC, why about moving pick, right?
Yeah.
And these are the individual issues are a bit to me aka. But Baby Edru Sesiano, party no so ewomra. He's governed by the rules of the party.
The dictates of the party.
The dictates of the party. As a senior party person. Let me guess what I say. They all can in the same vein. No. Say Baumia, say Alan. No. They cannot jab the gun. Say me Baumia and say Alan. But they must go through a vigorous through party process. And to person mudi no equal December na obi a edition. And the party na be vehicle. Wow, a car.
A purpose vehicle.
A special purpose vehicle.
Yeah.
And you know, don't worry. When you say a bad no vision, ni ideas, ni a quiet first we be on mine and money dia. We uniform when you.
Okay, Francis, hold it there for me. Can we move on to next topic? Because you can see to be back and forth.
The next topic. Shortly.
What is your mama?
I mean, can Mahama, communication expert. Say they're now okay. Wakoye, yet your crass in Sutem are now okay. Adanguma sin in Sutem.
Danso te madam so bi
Sɛ-
no for asem fo.
Why no bosom yɛ de ntoma fitaa bi akyekyere ne ho ɛne ama ne ho ayi hu ubie ntoma no firi ne ho a ɔyɛ empty
Bosom no.
yɛwɔ kura ase no yɛtumi ayɛwɔ agorɔ bi a ne yɛdie mbɛsɛ ka mebɔ ne din na da wobɛba nsuta mu no asua deɛ no de ne yɛ akyerɛw saa na mampanyin dada John Mahama ma menkasa o chale ɛnɛ yɛni abere
Bele bele brada de na esi.
ya ɔmampanyin dada John Mahama yɛde ntoma fitaa bi na akyekyere ne ho so ɔyɛ ntoma fitaa no firi ne ho
Ɛnyɛ hu.
ɛnyɛ hu ne ho nyɛ hu o ɔyɛ empty
Empty it's too
I
hard.
don't know me who said you mean see enka no
You say God ya kasa ni hu nyehu. Don't use the word empty. Yeah.
Dumso me man we Sompa Mahama would have ended Dumso if NDC was retained. We Thursday March 2nd 2017 on Peace FM for na ye grant
Kamahama bema Dumso to
I
a
think Mahama bema Dumso to a tra
Say you did it?
2016 Ghana
That's a Dumso that's what.
never before NDC for 4 years 2012 to 2016 yet kroma asafo market cold store no nyina gu kroma magazine abrante etimi dware anopa obekọ ne adum kane obeduru fia na dwono ne aso kane a tailorfo babafo omo de kane ye aduma okuma se ne Ghana ha nyina anwuma gu yi John Mahama mre so for 4 years wo betena ha ko ho ntinintini se wo gi atoro we di wo se mampanyina da John Mahama nam no one NDC fo na yakasa yete ya no ma yaka ho se NDC fo o ka we ni media fo amfa hwe okay was S Gracia metwa article 71 S Gracia mu
The executive members.
Odinka article 71 S Gracia you pushing it to the wall now you subjected your can into debate
proof.
and we limited to executives for who dia wajibra or say any retrogressive John Mahama
onye any profit venture na buy no the sika man no so onko gina home or you unemployed
so why
e Jesus here no Musi sa sika na de man no we dey awi
respectfully Omanhene yase me kasa asem on this bigger platform Omanhene that John Mahama is not being fair to us on kano crunch yen Ghana for
how
on kano crunch yen DC for wo sika ni bi tawoto S Gracia ye nyina ya dia tum sa mampanyin dada o mo atwam ene mpanifo bi o mo wo ne so saa na o masom o man Ghana no so o mo kotena fie a o mo ntimi nya adwuma o mo nim die na ebo o mo de bo akyekyere man yete kroma yi asem timi si na no ye come state of the nation address former president yes betra ho netie bi nefo adwene bra sa na ye betima use wo mo because mampanyina da John Mahama enye ono ana ye greedy ene wo ye selfish ene da bia o pese onya tumi wo na bra bo mu aba bi odrei ke se nko tenchen asem si wa sa man ye pepanyina nanim onyam a na nka afre no na nko ama asomdua ye de aba ba ono no enam se o petumi da bia nti no enti ko tifia yede ne ye oman no adwuma no na nka ye tua ne ka sa no ne nimdia a etai article 71 holders na chi ena wo se wo de on support ntu bekam ene yese ene sa de a papa bi ye frɛ no ohenkese bi o voter region ono no ogi bie no ode ne de aba ama wo kura wo bɔ na ba so na afɛ de Ghana fo busa wo mampanyina da John Mahama sɛ fa wo S Gracia ne brade asem de me retire me tifie we ya asem a wo kɔ campaign ye de convince Ghana fo ora kusi bo afo ayo de we dey nsem na John Mahama ne ora the later times no mon kan kroma so for you to subject kusi bo afo on this platform is needless
Mbezo ka kire.
ehun he dey nya I'm telling you the Ghana fo oh
Uko afankra man wo simi si.
The Ghana fo
masifo hia no.
See me.
Won sa be se ko asore nsemo na wo kan ko Mahama no. Won be se ko asore no won ka kire nsore fo.
2024 elections crucial elections so the Omanhene kan say we heard the performance of the individual be lead the political party. Let me be honest with you, from 2002 Bishop Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia as a person now he switch the negotiation or HIPIC obedi running mate vice president the performance Supreme Court the performance Ghana had digitalization implementations of policy be say drones any said you make up picky owura Kennedy Japan ukofa obi ti sa lankojo chere Martin. These are people omit me the records of almost personal achievement in life and you abeto da in the 2024 no yen tra o ma John Mahama nkofa ntade fitaa bi nchechire ne ho on kasem papa bi enchire Ghana fo unka policies be and check Ghana for no nam.
All right, I mean, he has a comment on your this thing then.
Yeah, between Ura Mahama and Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. Open the pen and mo guasi o krum ha pa. And you fit
John Mahama.
Baumia.
Oh, look at you.
Between the two. Open the pen o twen no mo krum ha pa. Enura ekata ne ho. We yi nwura na empty as a konko. Wow, Dr. Baumia.
How?
Ono. And the car say akọ Zimbabwe. Koye Zimbabwe economy ye. No ye more central bank. When some money sika wom. Nti Ghana for mo amutumi no momra. E buy na the economic management team head amano. And they sika sema den apansam.
Sompa 93.1.
Omo no mo say Baumia wako school si ni pe nyina wo Ghana. Obetime manage economy. Wow, omo ye ya mane ye se bi ye odu Boakye maache eja Boakye maache ye se me jo so enya ado. Was it Dr. Mahmoud Baumia said me first came bro busumi aso ne photo dia need. That was how they created a picture and a top Ghana footrim, including Miami Crop for magazine for ya and on person we press conference ya one day. They made the whole thing look very rosy. Ya ka some oni wade ya some oni so de hu eso a wo be ka drone. Baumia why drone okroma? Why drone?
Okay, medical drones.
Baumia why drone?
It's innovative.
Hey, Masa,
I'm telling you.
Adea drones, Dr. Baumia Obi.
He's talking about medical
the
drones.
use of the medical drones.
Open the drones and Adea ba and a wako sign contract. Where on the
Look at you. I found it.
Yeah. Cheap compounds ni wo. Obaka drone na samo awa ho. Obi se waka bibi wa ho. What da what madam fo. Nyanya nkora na egu krom a.
Okay. Maybe say
na ni mo guasia to the standard. Ohun de wo ye oni ho.
Vice President only Mampani Dano. He will be better than John Mahama. John Mahama's record in this country is nothing to write home about. At least Baumia is just a vice president. He doesn't take the decisions. I don't have a show to him.
What are you talking about?
He's just a vice president.
Meba.
On taking the position of presidency.
Hold on, let's understand something.
Let's discuss it.
Meba.
Yes.
Are you telling us, what you would tell Ghanaians about Baumia and taking decisions?
Me say Baumia is a vice president as we speak. To compare Baumia to Dr. John Mahama. The difference is huge. So
let's wait till maybe.
I'm telling you.
Then how do you present him? Say, I'm a contest because at a point, at a point, you were telling Ghanaians, say, John Dramani Mahama of failing because one, even 2012, you were saying he was the head of the economic management team.
And you are comparing them on that
basis. 2012, Ghana phone to even at 2012. Today is the head of the economic management team. It is a Niamabeko year. Do one fee say Baumia is spearheading the economy.
Yes,
but if you come to tell us, say Baumia only a vice president. What message are you sending to
concluding
then you can't blame Alan. You can't blame Akoto anywhere.
Mami concluding this say. Baumia as a vice president has performed better than John Mahama as president. This argument creates an opportunity and a platform for us. If Baumia should lead our party and become president,
he doesn't take decisions. You said he doesn't take decisions.
Yes.
So it means that
make proposals
everything he has done was done by Nanado.
He proposed and if accepted, implemented. I'm telling you. And we concede.
You can't eat your cake.
No, I'm not eating my cake. I am not eating my cake.
You can't eat your cake.
I am being honest with you. Said Baumia is just a vice president.
Yes, and we call a vice president.
No, in the hierarchy of authority, or a vice president.
Everybody knows he's a vice president.
In the hierarchy of authority, Baumia is a vice president.
Let me understand something. The good policies that has been implemented, you are adducing it to him.
Not all.
Some.
Yes.
Majority.
Yes.
Now, the bad things that are happening in the economy, who do you attribute?
No. Pick and choose. No. We concede.
I'm asking a question.
On this platform.
I'm asking a question, say. And near cost dollar depreciation in who's and 7 crores by Ghana for can do you accept say about me?
Omanhene can say on this platform,
do you accept say about me?
Policies in be and you the results.
You accept?
Yes.
but the good ones
good ones say the results we are touting it
initiatives of
the okan ya adwuma we are touting it the okan ya anya adwuma we concede.
All right.
Yeah.
I'm telling you.
Well, mami ni jamra. Aha.
One say niggas unso omuni mani wu. One brow ti ha wo bre. How do you say? Ba o mia doctor. Results na e positive ni dia.
Me say the enya ye tum.
Na dia enya ne dia yenyu ni mfiri ho.
No.
Raf make us mecho. Nyabotre. In your quest obehu say Dr. Bawumia ebe lead mu party no wo ka asem beto Ghana for de etrim na mpanyifo okromwa enfo bia so bia jimi we ne.
Okay, hold it there for me. 5G. Unya 5G papa no mo a. Open drink papa non-alcoholic drink out per se. Ubetimi adjujo ho a green tea, grapes, grana, grapefruit, energy wo mo a. Make come for 5G amount. Ya the miso fruit aba, ya wa orange, ya wa mango, ya wa grapes, apple, melons, pineapple. Na unya the multi fruit ano a. Ayi. Wona asene no. Weekend me ba hanman opa. Na mami foi. Eye no do weekend a. Say one for 5G ana mizo anko yi ase a Francis wa anya yi. Mami foi toss and I'm so whoa. And president you are me kwa kwaji manager ha mo ano. Number is 0246 270221. No papa. Papa no ne miso fruit drink and 5G 0246 270221. Bomodina netu sana mono. Samson na make for aperitivo so adma and also so aperitivo drinker and also non-alcoholic ehuru ni peduanim e ma appetite balancer na ehuru intrimu ni wa dem nti ununum ni sa wi a wo ho den be ma kwaso na akwa wusi so a on the way temamoto way na wo sene aperitivo non-alcoholic bitter. Yeah, the spices, herbs, and a fruit. And open the door support to a friend. 0246 Bra Sompa first floor DC house. 0246 270221. 0246 270221. Ubenya be out top. Sanso so and a FA Masters. Obasanjo Road and crime. Accra Girls Senior High. 050-553-6302. 050-553-6302. Kumasi 054-338-5271. 054-338-5271. Or Comfort Rural Bank PLC. A year for a year before nine samo yes yo Mesrewa Mamon Kontokwa Mumfuma Nicho Comfort Rural Bank PLC. A year for no. Dear now we hear what they quackwajibo saying. Why invitation card what they call ye no Kaho. Fatu ho ede abusian kasa obusian pedi fan sanse kratase fa Ghana card na ho ne kwa death certificate owu ye no mokoye death certificate proof of death ne ma chese wowu ampa afei mortuary receipt obabi afuru no hye no kan nyina bom na fakọ ye memma flexible interest rate abusian na nkronkron na epe na bosume be so ansa na wa ye no ne do sika ma to betuma to ne ma nyina obese be discard wa ye na se dan ma ho a o frɛ na o coverage Rural Bank PLC ye beba ye ne ye boafo Yaxin group of companies anio ye de Yaxin Herbal Meshaba for malaria and menstrual disorders. Oba obu nsa na wo kam dwe na wo kekam nyina no ebe free ho ye de call Mr. Aba Yaxin Co for pals cocoa drop kese pa no and natural capsules no wutri eno no ye be ma opese o si ekwan so koniye Yaxin natural capsules e ma ba ho den pa won paso na wutri ho apare de wo hia Yaxin ointment open do support to furniture Ashtown sanso so na nkan amamole ye number no 0244 723-541 0244-723-541. Say also dokro na say uyem tukro uda wona uyem timi tu okoko chihyew oboya uya wachiri bramo utidwao wani su ebriw de ba ne say wa mebre ni bia uda wona udidi a ebofa so otin say aduane ne enyam ye hard bensin kwa hunu say ulcer no your peptic gastric duodenal GERD acid reflux and H pylori when nyina ye ulcer no types ni bia na ni nyina no the one stop any Dimpa Natural Health Clinic the local foreign and foreign natural herbs and product in the adwuma ye be di mfidie be fifa mu atwetw na wo ba anya se oba na de adroma o ye be hwa na ehu se eye deodona na se ked na se gastric eye yibi na bofa wo so a ya ma ehu aduro second floor Willas Towers the chemso can he mention health insurance ho ne wo your number no ye 0245 118434 0245 118434 and 0246 744 0246 744 744. Yeah, the hairstyle challenge aba. We will be our Obama winning babbering. Pa we oba winning babbering. We oba we Obama winning 3 year winning 3 bo. Yeah, the hairstyle challenge in Abba. Our boboano. We Obama sinsium. You see Bema sinsium and San Waham. Sim the catch will be I say yes. Minim 3 year will be to me. To say me baba or ahojono. One salon akwasi oyi tre papa gramophone street no so sa akwan no madwene ho ahojo de bia tutu ekwan bi na wodu ahojo station ho a gramophone aso dan no uwura ma soccer bet ho no very good sa akwan no so de bia tutu
Sompa 93.1.
Omaye kwan ni nyina o sa so na wo free outside nim ho no de kosi Atenga Junction na wo sa de kosi adehye ho no a ho nyina tutu ba wo free ho no mo kwa de kosi lodge ya ye fe
but I'm right me fa and Quasi Lodge hormone. I think say how you assume too much. Meaning so mun wie sa
fa
da me so me ka da ban wo free Atenga Junction.
Ede kwase ho a omu wi ombeso so
I think say no
omu wi ombeso so eti hairstyle challenge beto form 50 Ghana cedis now we are we can assume ma men can wait quickly miss so for ECG now say can you no dun na so hey just say oh enemy ni ma de kro say see transformers no omu ya allergic to rain sir enso bon ni kakra bia na edum kanea ahoju ho di kwase ho da ban ni important nyina me say just ensuo from amfa kakra bi o kan yete entroma betima fa nua babubu yenum kanea ECJ mesremo we die men ka asemo nyaade mesremo mon hwanya hu bibi na too much thank you very much
piba kwa menye ufiri sa da ban kwan na no sa kakra na ye gya ne finfi ho no mum ye nyina nka ye sinsi so
one hwan
ka sinsi so
mum ye nyina nka ye sinsi so na ye nka no kure wom na
no kure wom nyina ne se Kofi Job no sika ya man sika ono actually sika peso ye kwan no ena community no ampre ena ode sa sika no call atonsu akowie kwan ne fefefe no enti abai pesika ma no wo sina kati so no kati wa bai se
community ni se
community na grado mami campbell ne David se si ame no ka say the community is ready abai ne community is ready abai ne ma ko
enti memble mu abai na community ni se amamre ne amane
me say as of now the community is ready. Abai na enya scam.
I agree with you.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Nkoso. Eti hairstyle challenge for 055 319 8282. Hairstyle challenge 055 319 8282. 3A Heba Center Eddie the Cocoa Master ba. Your friend 3A co capsules. Eye niema miensa. Se cocoa e kawa. One Eddie I am timbrel. Na saja usisi ade. Sa dure wonum a e clear 3 ni nyina ti ye fe no 3A co capsules ade a betu awutu already obese oja onan a pace na asserting se koko ache oda pa se we mekai amane a obefabu no ansa na ejanan kakra bi kura nyi ni ti no no abre pace a obefabu no 3A co capsules bubo open those support to 0546 107 107 0546 107 107 sankofa spices natural ginger pepper akekadro send your friend ginger no e form we say suru visa rough didn't say enkete rosemary wenum nyina ne akabo me dia 10 varieties and a sankofa de aba okọ dwa so amesrew enkototo asikyire ne nkyene ne ene spices ne preservatives bia unhu ba bi efire na bibi ankoso ben kancho say power specialist herbal clinic akosi adua ya say hepatitis ya koje awards in anse ono na de ma no arthritis gonorrhea syphilis broken bones ya de no bia badwa so Hebatin Heba Mr. A immune booster. Jiri Heba Mr. Bema obo ba yitrimu ji and free was to me bojuma. Kofke ukoko ekosro ya debia obe free ho. Ena tonic no so ema ultimate TBD. 0244 54 4422 0244 544422 and 0200 383831 0200 383831 0555 797878 Bomodin for ni chere Kumasi fe yase kwanso ene kwan na dam. Oh, so I we there. Yes, one brand so one be before my idea. Just bro filling station in new anymore. Sansona and kind Kwabenya Pokwasi ACP main. Oh, you here. Takra is also Anaji Estate and Anaji MA Primary School. Eddie anymore. My member on check. On tax force. And they are some pine. Kumasi may on the birthday. Yes, some pine birthday. Yes. We've wished him in the morning.
Me man happy birthday. Enran so a test con akro carry edana say any party for penny for omo ama ye test con ne ko ne nim yie kwa do nyina so Omanhene I think say na wo ka tonsu to contact kwan so fantastic Omanhene efe e kwan na efe dodo hey president go wadu nyamisha no but my observations be ene kroma unam ba bia obekọ na ba bia tokro bi da na yakokata so minim so why is our observation na
oh say ever some pine di juma bi were the Central Business District. On the KM anymore crano. Now to 2.
Yeah.
And oko Melcom ho. And baby I 4 junction biano.
And across the region. Baby on my own what the can and when in now so obekona to create obekona akova so. Yo baby o medoma do Zion Praise Educational Complex anymore.
We are just some de man say cano. Enya na okoso no. Your time no pa.
Tax force, custom, importers. This issue issue I mean no me do here ye pa man be wo tax force no in charge Mr. Tony Okran o ka kire me say Ralph Mesero me be say me no Omanhene ehia na edi nkomo me gide say me nya akwanya na me ne tax force for mpanifo ni share no masua ade bebre
you appreciated
yes ma ti omase kakra ma ti omase bebre and e woni tax expert be di nkomo Mr. Francis Boy na o raise the issue about say aban be tax net him because the informal sector no say the aban enya taxes every free informal sector omo ya aban adwuma eti omo ka direct tax omo kwana etia taxes so they have been calls say aban and monitor e kwan ebetimi abie tax and ebetimi generate a lot of revenue Omanhene enemy tie ana o ka say nipa importer you hear more education for our importers.
That's right.
Because kwan agents ede ye importers ye maame no ne ye papa no mo kra ne man e fa so me gire say nye fair. Last week I had an experience importer wa import ne ma wodi ni sika nyina watua e ka say so otua ede ma agent na agent akotua ketwa bi na wayi ne ma de ba wonam kwan so a wo ba na nya problem a agent ne de otene ba bi o e na importer no ono na anya problem na wo busa say me say oh any a businessman na wakofa ne ma free tema na ya be kye ne kwan mu na den na custom for mum blame o staff no Omanhene wonim de ntia se wokọ Melcom na wo to ade ewie na wotua inside wotua ka wo inside wi a udru gator na obi nso te wono wo check wo receipt minim so hu bi da
I say receipt no check here ono na de final stamp si so
ye de wodin kan tua ka wie e wo inside
me count ma say tua ka wo inside
yeah
the final personal checking on the stamp
so
and confirm me say wait me pie when over the stamp na sisu or pot and you know for me you can't arrest me when somebody there have stamped it
me ne wo ya adwene me ne wo nyina agina the same me busa import custom penifo the same question say oh our internal checks and balances.
Wow.
In a smart say,
why should I suffer from your internal checks and because me must have say, Francis, you see, time I know you come most way. Who shall take it to Remoa? ukosa upia no obi abo stamp se ni pakro no bo stamp wa mo stamp na upia oba utumi ngura mu bie o bo bo stamp na obedru a utumi ga just stamp ni e fake
yeah
unless o bibia essence very good one me ye obi a me importer mafkra me niema eda me agent ne wo crofo bi na asisi mi a deal with the agents and the people there omo connive area aban no enye me a mo stamp me receipt ni bibia di adanse say my duty no me bedru ha wo say my duty ni ye am I a worker at port to know
said the NSS me yana
yes
me no me anu nyina position no but I think that when the entire mesre wo say osunya akwanya na tie omo kakra ne say so go further I was educated to know say nye sika utua ma custom ne nko an ye hwe one Omanhene yete krom amanfo timi import arms ne bi ori agu container mu ne bi a daf kakraka utra nye yie na say tax force ninya
that is on the periphery.
No, I think so.
When these issues come this is what they will say.
No, I agree with you. Is it this information I also had?
Only regulations are guiding importation of
no
Ralph when my there Asemba say Ralph Asemba say
oh come on
me
defensive mechanism
I will find every defensive mechanism to explain to you Masem ne say it's basic say me beto de wo ho ade na beto ye no 200 Ghana oh be wo gate and wo Melcom na say dipa ne stamp ma me na me call na me dru baby na wo small bi say me wia wa dia I will see you
yo tie set time so ma me ka bi hwe ya de we ate I can onim de worker or can be a defend abandoned customs for no keke.
No.
You you magazine credit for the free. More harm in you way.
More height.
Ura game. Only my dear way. After say more access international company no what buy ye juma or how a funk from ye juma. What access your you know mutual tax and my buying. You know what they do? Some right in the game. When we say game no go. Game of follow up.
Yeah,
wo ne nkrofo na kwa moye mu assessment a mbetwa mu kabo so me de nkrofo ato no mo che mo se weni sika se de enya nti bu sika ni no uwie a wo akwato ade na wa wura ho na akwato ade no na custom for no di nkrofo ya begu wo
yeah I think that's the issue na
me to ade wie a me risk can you imagine this yaw 21st century mo se mo nyansa ne nim dia ye bu man me ma to ma ade wie na me ko baby no I'ma go through all the processor.
Ni pie no.
Ma toy wi a ya print ma tuaka ya ma me receipt no. Na abai wa fia bi ase bi wote na no ho. Na wa gi me receipt. Me receipt na me kita no. No asante. No was screenshot it. No I train him bi wo so. Asa wo pie. Me ya bi so what is it? Ati na wi ase. Hefa na obekwa. Obekọ shopping mall wato ade wia uwia ya je receipt omo ya di crofo hotel restaurant na ade but you see the brain is not working adwene nya adwuma
adwene de
ya adwene ya di buman enya adwuma enti say na beba no utia na wo ka kre daje pasam e na kre daje po creative idea he's part of you what who ever year Ghana
hey
with any creative idea oh forget it my brother ebo bi and obi wo krom ha today they are chasing you for taxes who su say you go adwuma masa enya group na ni pedi wo krom ha de wo kan yaw Kumasi customs are here et see the bia menya complain ono wako tua ni goods and services e water ma habo wie na wo ba card e ba no na e gina car no
me ya na me busa obu pie wi a Kumasi for ni omo koso niam bi e wa chire di gumu ana
yes I think say you come
because e bia na enema na ye check wie ye no omo di bi pie ya
ntimi an go to
no why now blame no
so these are issues Omanhene
yani say
yeah time na so cry
temahabo sex will be from wo ho
ansa na what me pie
if you including national security you finish with all these things what time have you
no be do kubase
no be do kubase
na me ba say no say dey go for dia dey kwa boso kan they don't stop them all. Francis, I said, Swami magazine ni Asante Mantem ha. We have business wa no ma. I said, why a bonny?
In conclusion, this is an appeal.
Francis, garage sama di enim.
Swami magazine for
I consider
protect them.
No, we are protecting them. We are doing everything.
Na ba o me kra da me nyini sa omu bi be sa wura magazine so.
But we are the Muslim. This is why I draw the curtain on today's program.
This is a very crucial issue for me. Yenuanom importers or Asante Mama can last week mechania. So at any point in time, they also say be original mochi emo muduma di eti course be
ani.
Me name is say the commissioner of customs din komo.
Better say. Abusia for. Be the mo be sia. Achira ndom ya.
Charlie, some things can be very painful, like hitting your toe against the corner of a table or a failed cash transaction.